So let's just get detailed review for this Maybelline New York Sky High Sensational Mascara. Earlier in my quick review short, I just posted a glance of this viral mascara, the very hyped one. So it comes with pretty amazing, beautiful bottle and engraved letters, like metallic engraved letters, which is very beautiful. Sky High Lashes Mascara, Lash Sensational mascara it is. So let's just find out how worthy it is with this much of price. Oh, we are just drying it, and after dry we just see it is not getting smudged. So smudge proof. हम थोड़ा water proof और देख लेते हैं इसको. So we are just dropping some water drops. It is waterproof. So yeah, this is fine. I think this is totally worth it and totally recommend it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.